Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this wireless charging rapid car mount from Alogic. So this is installed on the car air vent. Okay, so basically like this is 2-in-1, so it is a holder, phone holder, at the same time a charger. So this is compatible to all QI enabled phones. Okay, so I can see here the specs. Okay, so I open this now and see what's inside. So I haven't seen inside, so there's tape here. Another tape. Probably on the side as well. So open. Let's pull it out. Okay, here it is. So nothing else inside. Just a piece of paper, like a guide how to use it. So a start guide. Okay, so you can see here. So here's the mount with the charger, and probably there's a slot here. Yeah, this is the micro USB. So this is not a type C, but just a standard micro USB. Then this one opens, close, and this one goes to the car vent. Okay, and just open, close this one. This one goes to here. So just open this one. Then you can push this in. Yep, it's in. Then just tighten this one, so you can position in the car. So this one is a clip to open and close. Yeah, like that. So it's open. Then when you put it in the vent, then just lock in there. Okay. Then try with the phone. So for example, this is my phone. Just like that. Okay, so it's holding well. Then I want to try the charger. So where's the cable? There should be, this is the USB cable. So I'll try this one. I'll show you. Okay, so I just plug in the cable. So by the way, to open the this one, you can just press this. So to put the phone, so you don't need to press like this. So just push on these sides, then just place the phone, then test if it is charging. You can see it's charging. See, it's showing 90%. Just take it out, then put it back. So it's charging. That's quickly. So that's it. So it's working. So most likely it's also working on my inside the car. And I will try my car. Okay, I will try now to install in my car. So you can see here, it is up like this. Then just push it in, then lock. Now it's locked. Then also lock this one, tighten. Then it's ready for the phone. So sorry, I'm just using one hand, so I don't know if I can do this. Maybe just use this leverage. Okay, yeah, I think it's working. I think it's okay. Yeah, so that's good. Then you can put the USB cable later on to charge. Okay, so that's it. Really nice one. So again, thank you for watching.